back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 3 raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x plus 27 raised to power x equals 14. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose, first of all, we will recall that 9 is the square of 3 and 27 is the cube of 3. So we will substitute this here and get 3 raised to power x plus 9 can be write as 3, 2x, and 27 can be write as 3, 3x. That equals 14. Now we will write this as 3 raised to power x plus this can be write as 3 raised to power x and whole square plus 3 raised to power x whole cube equals 14. Now in the next step, we will consider that 3 raised to power x equals m. Let's consider 3 raised to power x equals m. Now this will become 3 raised to power x is m, so m plus m square plus m cube equals 14. Now this equation will become m cube plus m square and then plus m minus 14 equals 0. Now we will check the factors of this. Then if we substitute here 1, m equals 1, then 1 plus 1 square plus 1 cube. So this will be not equals 14. If we substitute minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled out and then it will not equal 14. Similarly, if we have factors like this equals 2, so 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, then plus 2 equals 14. So 2 is the factor of this. So we will solve this as, we see that when m equals 2, it's mean 2 cube plus 2 square plus 2 equals 14. 8 plus 4 plus 4. 8 plus 4 plus 2 will be 14. It's mean that our factor is correct. So we will write this here that m minus 2 is factor. If m minus 2 is factor, we will divide this equation m cube plus m square plus m minus 14 by m minus 2. Then multiply by m square and minus 2m. Then signs are changed and we get 3m square plus m minus 14. Now we will multiply this by plus 3m. So this will become 3m square minus plus minus minus 6m. Then it will be added. This is cancelled out. So 7m minus 14. Now we will multiply this by plus 7. So get 7m minus 14. It's mean that m square plus 3m plus 14 is also factor. So we will write this here as m minus 2 and m square plus 3m plus 7 equals 0. Now there are two possibilities. First is m minus 2 equals 0. It's mean that m equals 2. This is the one root. Now for the other one, m square plus 3m plus 7 equals 0. We will apply the quadratic formula. Minus 3 plus minus b square, that is 9, minus 4ac means 7 divided by 2. So 28 minus 9 will be 19. It's mean that we get minus 3 plus minus square root minus 19 divided by 2. So this will be minus 3 plus minus iota square root 19 by 2. So this is the complex rule. So this root will be rejected. We will consider only the real root. Now we have suppose 3 raised to power x equals m. Now we have to find in the question value of x. For this purpose, we will write m equals 2 and m equals 3 raised to power x. Now we have to find the value of x. It's mean we will take log on both sides. So when we take log on both sides, so log 3 raised to power x equals log of 2. So x is in the start and we have log 2 by log 3. Apply the change base rule. So base is 3 and log 2. This is the value of x. Now in the last we will do the verification. Is our answer is correct or not? And check it. So x equals log base is 3 and 2. Now we will do the verification. For this purpose we will just substitute the value of x in this. So 3 raised to power x means log 3 and 2 plus 3 raised to power 9 is square. So 2 log 3 2 raised to power 4 plus 3 cube log 3 2. We know that according to log rule this is in the power form. So 3 log base is 3 2 plus 3 log base is 3 and 2 power 2 is 4 plus 3 log base is 3 2 power 3 is 8. So we get according to log rule that if a log base is a, b equals b. So we will apply this here. So this is equals 2 plus 4 plus 8, that equals 14. It's mean that our answer is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.